Oh yeah, sofrito. Sofrito is a seasoning sauce that is the base of many Puerto Rican dishes. I add them to rice, beans, soups, and meat and much more. This does take some time to prep, but the sauce will last you for a couple of months. These are the ingredients you're going to need. Half a cup of olive oil, 2 large white onions, 1 large red pepper, 1 large green pepper, a bunch of Cachucha peppers, and either 1 bunch of Culantro or Cilantro, 1 tablespoon of salt and pepper, 8 to 10 garlic heads, and 2 tablespoons of oregano. Alright, you're going to rinse the Cachucha peppers, you're going to cut them in half and remove the seeds. Cut the culantros into 4s, then you're going to take the oregano and just going to roughly chop it up. I like my sofrito nice and chunky, so I am going to blend the vegetables all separately, starting with the Cachucha peppers on medium, and then I'm going to add it to a mixing bowl. Then I'm going to blend the culantro. I'm going to spoon the sides, add some garlic, blend it again, and then add it to the mixing bowl. You're going to repeat the same steps for your onions, and your red pepper, and your green peppers. Just look at the combination of colors. You have your green, white, red, light green. Okay, let's continue. Now you're gonna add a couple of heads of garlic. I use 6 to 8. Add it to the bowl along with the freshly chopped oregano. Okay, now add your half a cup of olive oil, add 1 tablespoon of salt and pepper, and this is the best part. You're gonna mix it. Now, taste that sofrito. If it needs more salt, then add it. Once you are happy with the taste, we are going to put it in a mason jar, which I will refrigerate and use within the next 2 weeks. I add the remaining sauce to a silicone tray and freeze them overnight. And there you have it, cubed sofritos. Easy for you to just drop into any dish. One last note.
Drop them in a Ziploc bag and just freeze.